Turn up to this Worcester Bosch 30 SI combi boiler, no heating, no hot water. Customer said it was making a loud noise as well, so let's just have a look and listen. So because it tried to fire, we know that the external controls are okay, and then it starts slow flash, reset button on, which means ignition lockout. So next thing I'm going to do is whip the case off and have a look inside. There's a little bit of evidence of leakage, but it looks pretty old to me. There's nothing really we can see in here. Heat exchanger looks fine, it hasn't split. So maybe have a look down in the hydraulic section. Two of the best diagnosing tools that we've got are our eyes and our ears. So at first off, it sounded a bit bubbly, bit of air in it, and then we can see from this the condense is blocked. So that's the first thing I'm going to look at. So although this gets serviced every year, it may have been signed off, but it definitely hasn't been serviced properly. So we'll give this a good clean out. So you can see now I'm just replicating what it does inside the heat exchanger. It just won't discharge, so it just backs up inside. I'm not surprised. I mean, look at the state of that. Disgusting. So 3 hours later, we finally got it sparkly clean. Discharges nicely. With the condense strap back in, turn the power back on, reset the boiler. You can hear that's better. I mean, we diagnosed this with just a screwdriver and a pair of grips. It's all on. Happy days.